How to log in to your Netflix account from laptop. So hello guys, welcome back. Now in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Netflix account from your laptop. So first thing, just head over to any of your browser and just click on or search in for Netflix, just like this. So once you search in for Netflix, just click on this first link over here and you will be heading over to this page. So just click on this sign in button over here. If you are creating an account for the first time, you may as well click on this get started button, and where you will have to follow the on-screen instructions to create a completely new account on Netflix. So since you already have an existing account, now all you have to do is just click on this email and phone number or password and provide your registered email or phone number and password and just click on the sign in button, and you will have successfully logged into your Netflix account on your PC or laptop. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.